Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Nair of AhhhSoNeo saying hey, hope you've been well. Welcome back to a new video, guys. This is now August, so I'm doing an update on my project pan. That's expensive project pan. So yeah, if you'd like to see my progress, watch on. Guys, I love doing project pans. It's the only thing that keeps me honest and gets me like working through my makeup. And this project was started by Misty Pans, and it's kind of like choose like that expensive stuff that's in your collection, because we all know what it is. We got to save the expensive stuff for that special occasion that comes by once a year. So I decided I was going to join this project pan so I could work through my stuff. I'm going to link Misty down below. Watch her progress. She's a great project panner, and I like watching to see what she's doing. So hey, yeah, if you're new, hey, welcome. Thank you. I have a sporadic posting schedule, so I'm not even gonna go there. But I do like to do project pans. I like to do handbags. I like to do beauty videos. I like to do a whole smorgasbord, a little bit of something. So what do they call it? Beauty, fashion, lifestyle. That's where I fall with, you know, a bit of a luxury mindset. And I'm gonna start off before I go into the video by just saying to everyone, choose happiness. It's a choice. It's a choice you get to make every day. And not only do you get to make that choice every day, not only do you get to make that choice every day, you get to make it every hour, every minute, every second. Every moment of your life, you get to choose for yourself how you feel. Think that through. Yeah, but otherwise also subscribe. So let's get go. This is my third month because I started in May, although I didn't post an update in May because, you know, but I did post an update in July for June, and I had already finished 2 products. I had finished my Mer foundation, and I have a replacement foundation, and then I had also finished my Hourglass mascara, so I picked up a second one to replace that. I only have one thing that I finished this time around. Hold on a second. So I only have one thing that I finished this time around, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. It is like done, okay? This was my PCA Skin Hydrated Plus SPF 30. I love SPF. I'm always making sure I am protected. I wear SPF every single day, no matter what it looks like outside. So yep, so this was really a given. I knew I was gonna finish this relatively quickly, so I'm gonna do that. I've decided to challenge myself and not replace it with another SPF. Mainly because all my SPFs are like completely full bottles, so it's gonna be a while before I finish one. So I thought I should add something that I really want to finish soon. So that is one of my Guerlain lipsticks. As you guys know, these retail for about $30, and then the case is like another $20. Although you can occasionally get these on sale. So I have this one right here. So I've already made really good progress on it. Could I make more? Definitely, but I really want to finish this by the end of the year. So I figured if I put it in a project pan, I can get through it. And it's a Guerlain matte lipstick. So wish me luck on that one. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm having to come back like a couple hours later because, you know, life gets in the way sometimes. So I hope this is clear. The lighting is a little bit different, but other than that, everything else should be the same. And I still have all my stuff out. So instead of going to bed, I thought I might as well just finish filming this for you guys. So let's get out of the way. So I was talking about my there we go. Omoressense it's my Essence by Omorovicza, and it has the Hungarian water in it. So this is where I am. I'm going the wrong way, of course. And this is where I started way back in May. So I have made really good progress as I'm not all the way down there. I really am hoping that I can finish this within the next month because, quite frankly, like I said earlier, it's not my favorite essence, and I'm ready for it to be done. I won't be repurchasing it. I do see its usefulness, but between the SK2 and the Mer the Essence, you know, those are my ride or dies. So this was great. I believe it was about $95, but I will not be repurchasing that. But I'm glad I got my use out of it. Next is my Bioderma Micellar water. Now, I don't know if you guys saw my last video, but I had that little hiccup where I didn't realize I was using a backup bottle. And so, like one day I looked at it, I was like, wait, how come it's so much more in it than what should be in it? And I was using my backup bottle because at any given moment, I probably have 2 or 3 of these. Right now, I know I have 3 of these in my house, including this one. And I was reaching out daily for the wrong one. So I just haven't made the right progress with this that I was hoping for. I started way up here. I'm now down here. I know for a fact this will be done before the year is out, which is why I have so many backups of it. Oh, yeah, so this one, I think I've made some good progress. I really thought I would be further down, but then again, I was using up the wrong bottle, so that totally messed me up. But I still think we're making good progress. Okay, so next I'm gonna show my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation. This is an OG for me. I love this bottle. It's well used, well loved. Definitely something that I'm going to repurchase eventually. Like the La Mer, it's not an immediate repurchase, but that's because I've probably got like 12 foundations I'm working through right now, so there's no rush really to buy something new. My progress, you know, I used this early on today and I shook it, and so you can't see it draining through, but I'm down to about over there. So I've made like pretty good progress on this. When I started the project, I was way up here. I was about 40% through the bottle. I think I've now got like 20% to go. I'm almost done. I'm almost at the point where I feel like I could be ready to call it quits. It's still good. It smells good. And a full-size bottle like this, when you buy it retail, is I believe about $60, $65 maybe, I'm not sure. But that's what this is. This is about $15 for this jumbo pack. So not the most expensive makeup remover that I have, but yeah, it's a decent price. Okay, so I did decide to use the Chanel Ultra Le Teint to replace the La Mer foundation. This is another one of an older foundations I have in my collection, probably about 2 years old. Definitely time to start using it. It still has that really strong fragrant smell that Chanel foundations tend to have. This is a really good matte foundation, but this is definitely one of my favorite ones. For a matte foundation, I find it not so mattifying when I end up looking like cake face. So I really love this. It's one of my favorite matte foundations. Unfortunately, the bottle is frosted. I don't know if you guys know that about Chanel, but when it's a matte foundation, the bottle is always frosted. So I cannot tell where I am. There's no like line of demarcation. So I've decided to weigh it. I've literally got a scale right here. So I'm at 4.69 ounces, and I will just like keep track of it that way because I have no other way of tracking how much is left. Unfortunately, I did not, when I added it in after I finished the La Mer, I forgot to weigh it, so I don't have a starting point. However, at the same time, I haven't really used it that much, so we'll just say that 4.69 is my starting point. And I believe this is a $60 foundation, or it was $60 when I purchased it. It might now be up to $65. So we'll see how that goes. I like that. As you guys know, I did finish my Hourglass Caution Mascara. It's one of my favorite mascaras. It's really good. However, I do have a holy grail mascara that's worth every bloody penny, and that is Chanel, because it's not cheap. I know it used to be $32, but I really wouldn't be surprised if it's now like $34, $35. I don't know. It's been a while since I've had to buy them. Since the last time I purchased, I bought 3, so I'm still working through my 3. But I would literally say once a year, when I see those kind of specials and Chanel is included, that's when I will purchase 2, sometimes 3 of this mascara foundation, mascara Chanel Le Volume. I always have it in my collection. It's amazing. So it's kind of a cop-out to have it in this video because I know I'm gonna work my way through it. But at the same time, hey, I gotta find my wins where I find my wins. So it's in here. Okay. Next is something I have made some serious progress on. And I'm actually going to put it away for a little bit, especially because I want to, whatever. So this is my Dior bronzer. This is Dior Forever Natural Bronzer. This is Deep Bronze number 8. Like, I'm one of those people who's like, oh, what's the point of bronzer? And then I started using this and I'm like, oh, that's the point of bronzer. So let me be clear. This looks well used, well loved, and I've hit massive frigging pan in it. So you might see things flying. Yeah, you see that? You see that? Yeah. I might have hit pan in it the last time you guys saw it. I'm not sure. But I'm really, really happy with this. So this is something that is so deep in my rotation that I tend not to use any of my other bronzers. So I'm gonna be good since, you know, I was trying to reach pan in it. I've clearly reached that goal. I'm gonna leave it out so I can keep using it because I do still use it, especially up here. Maybe not necessarily to bronze my face, but I still use it as a transition. So I will keep it in my, this project pan. But lately I have been using my Chanel bronzer. So we might not see as much progress moving forward. Okay, last but not least, yes, I'm so happy because my pan is growing. This is my, Anastasia Soft Glam 2. It's the little mini one because I wasn't fully in love with the big one. And look at that. Woo! Okay, now my goal for this was for me to stop using this eyeshadow for this project was to hit pan in one other. Was it one other or maybe two? I can't remember. I gotta be honest. I thought for sure I was gonna have hit pan in this cranberry shade because I love cranberry eyeshadow. And I thought I was gonna have hit pan in this other shimmer shade here. And well, no, not the shimmer shade, sorry. This here, the matte brown shade. And that's also because I tend to use that one as a transition color as well. So I thought for sure I was gonna have hit pan on both of them. And yeah, I haven't, mainly because I just got to the point where this palette hasn't been getting a lot of love. And really, I think it's because I just got bored with it. It's a summer, these fall type of colors. You know, there's only so much I can do with them, and I just kind of got bored. So I stopped using them. I've literally barely touched it. So that's what's happening with that. I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna try to get back into it. I might not use the cranberry color that much, but I can definitely use the transition shade, and I can use the shimmer shade with a variety of other looks. So I'm gonna keep going on that one. So yeah. So that is my progress. That's where I am with the That's That Expensive project. You just gotta work with what you've got, right? So yeah. So thanks guys for watching. Let's see what I can do next. Oh yeah, coming up also. Empties. I only do empties videos like twice a year because I don't have a lot. I don't do enough. I have really been using my makeup, as you guys can see with this project pan. So I'm hoping to get more empties out of the way. And I don't know, I'm making room. Maybe I'll go back to buying makeup. I'm actually kind of looking forward to that because I've been really more focused on skincare lately. Because let's be honest, baby girl's 45. You know, at this age, I need to be focused on the skincare. So thanks guys for watching. I appreciate you guys always coming back. I'm just gonna say it again. I know I said it before, but I'm gonna say it again. Choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make. Make the right choice for you. Subscribe.